Ever wondered why your laptop or computer runs slower than usual? Or why it takes forever to open a simple document? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to another episode where we demystify the world of IT, today taking a deep dive into the common issue of a slow-running computer. Now imagine this. You have an important presentation in just a few hours. You turn on your computer, ready to put those final touches to your presentation, and then it happens. Your computer decides to take a leisurely stroll down the lane, taking an eternity to load even the simplest of applications. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, that's what we're addressing today. We're going to discuss some of the reasons why your computer might be running slow and how you can fix it. Firstly, it could be that your computer is running out of RAM or random access memory. This is like the short-term memory of your computer. When it's full, your computer has to work harder and therefore slower. To fix this, you might need to install more RAM or close some programs that you're not currently using. Secondly, your computer might be filled with temporary files and data. These are like the clutter in your house. If you don't clean up regularly, it's going to slow you down. So make sure to clean your computer regularly by deleting unnecessary files and clearing your browser cache. Thirdly, your computer might be infected with a virus or malware. This can significantly slow down your computer and even compromise your data. To avoid this, ensure you have a reliable antivirus software installed and run regular scans. Lastly, your computer's hard drive might be nearly full. Like a crowded room, a full hard drive slows down your computer. To solve this issue, consider deleting unnecessary files or moving some of them to an external hard drive or the cloud. So, to recap, if your computer is running slow, check your RAM, clear out temporary files and data, scan for viruses and malware, and make sure your hard drive isn't nearly full. Remember, a happy computer means a happy user, and a happy user can get back to finalizing that important presentation without any unnecessary stress. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of why your computer might be running slow and some practical steps you can take to speed it up. Remember, your computer is a tool, and like any tool, it requires regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. I'm Bernard Kosky, and I hope you found this episode helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that simplifies the IT world for you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep implementing. Goodbye and take care.